Hi, Katya. Today we are going to speak about being a woman. I can't imagine what it's like to be a woman. It must be really difficult.
Well, I would not say difficult. I think it's great, but it comes with some difficult things, I guess. Maybe I can think of makeup and it takes us so long to get ready and it's something that we really need to do. So maybe that's one thing that we have to get used to it.
Come on. It can't be so difficult. Makeup. Putting on makeup on every day.
Well, you get used to it, but just imagine, we need to look for the right colors, the right brand, the right price. It really gets tough.
Sounds tough. Anything else difficult about being a woman?
Well, some people say that it might not be so difficult, but maybe giving birth might be something that women have to face that is difficult. But perhaps for some women it's not so difficult, but I think that's one other thing.
Yeah, for sure. I shall never know about that. How about good things, positive things about being a woman?
Well, there are many positive things. I actually can say I am happy being a woman. Maybe one thing is, well, we have in a sense, we are able to choose if we, once we marry, if we go to work or not, in general. I think that's one good thing. Don't you agree?
Yeah, I would agree with that. For sure. Anything else that's positive for you?
Well, since I am not married yet, going on dates, I think it's great the man has to pay. So that's a positive thing of being a woman.
Great. Yeah, I definitely agree with that. Okay, and finally, is there one last thing? What's your favorite thing about being a woman?
My favorite thing? Maybe having a sixth sense.
Could you tell me more?
Well, as a woman we sense certain things that men are not able to sense, so I think that's a very positive thing.
For example?
Well, for example, Paul, as a woman we sense people's feelings even though, for example, a man will not say anything. We can see, or we can feel what the person is feeling. The same with children, or the same with other women.
I would agree with that. Women have to be more sensitive to these issues, I think.
Yeah, sensitive. You can call it sensitive. I call it a sixth sense.
Okay, it was nice talking to you.
Thank you, Paul.